Hey guys, Fevers here. Welcome to an updated tutorial on how to use autoleak, the easiest way to autoleak Fortnite. The first thing you're going to want to do is go into the description below this video and open up Chrome. In Chrome, you're going to go to this link right here, github.com/FortniteFevers/autoleak. This program is basically a multi-use tool to leak Fortnite, and since the last video, I've made a lot of changes. I've added some new commands, I've added some new icons, so as you see, this is what it says here. Autoleak 1.3.8 has just released, and keep in mind that the last video I made on this, it was only 5 minutes long, and it was only 1.3.5. What is new in version 1.3.8? Number 1, we have new icons. So these new icons, they look like this. So I'm going to go zoom in on this. So you can see that it shows the name, the description, what set it's in, and it can also show the cosmetic sorts if you want. And there's also a lot of more features. So it has a notices command. It has a staging service command, weapons command, that's a cool thing, and it has a lot of bug fixes, upcoming features, and some more settings changes and update mode changes, some bugs in this version, and how to run autoleak. So the first thing I want to do is download Python 1.3.9. The easiest way to do that is click on this right here. It's going to take you to this link, and it is the Microsoft Store version, so you're going to go and click Get, and click Open Microsoft Store. So you're going to go and open it up. Once you open it up, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go and click install. I already have it installed, so just exit out of that and exit out of this. Now, go all the way to the top, click code, and download zip. The next thing you're going to want to do is minimize this, download WinRAR first of all, and create a new folder. So I'm going to go and do that right now. I already have a folder set up for this video. So create a new folder, go into your downloads folder, make sure you have WinRAR installed, and drag that folder into here. So this is what the folder is going to look like. The next thing I want to do is right click, and you're going to click extract here. And now as you see, you have the folder, double click it, and there you go. You have everything that you need. Now you have your autoleak folder. Now go back to the instructions. The next thing you want to do is you're going to want to, so we already did that, and now you're going to want to open up the folder and double click on install packages. If this doesn't work, make sure you have Python from the Microsoft Store and also the web version, which I'll link both below. Double click that, and it's just going to install all of the libraries that you need. The next thing you're going to want to do is go into settings.json and edit the content to your liking. So open up settings.json with like a text editor or something. This is all just default. You don't need to do anything at all with this. Just keep it all the same. You can mess around with it if you want, but keep in mind that if you make something like what it's like, if you, for example, take out one of these quotation marks, it can break up the whole program, so I recommend to just keep it the same. If you know what you're doing, you can edit it, but the next thing I want to do is open up startprogram.bat, and that is going to go and open this up. There is an error right now with autoleak. It says this, so I'm going to go and pause this real quick, and I'm going to go and pull up the fixed version. If autoleak isn't working for you at the moment, you can actually join our Discord server, which is brand new since the last video, so I'm going to go pull this up on the screen. As you see, our Discord server has around 143 members right now, and the way to get the fixed version is going to beta apply in the server and react to this emoji right here, and then you get access to these channels. So what these do is these are beta items, so you get access to fixed versions and like early releases and also like special perks before anyone else does. So if autoleak doesn't work for you, make sure to go into the description, go into the beta apply channel, go into beta downloads, and download these files and just extract them as you normally would. Let's go and minimize that. So yeah, I'm going to go and pause this real quick, and I'm going to go and skip back to when I have the fixed version on my screen. Alright, I'm back, and this is the fixed version. The next thing I want to do is double click on startprogram.bat. It may look different for you, but this is the beta version, so it looks a bit different for me. But the content is still the same. As you see, the next thing I want to do is you're going to want to type generate new cosmetics if you want to just generate new leaked cosmetics right now. The first thing The first thing I'm going to go and do is I'm going to go and clear this folder. So we're going to go and delete all in here. And the next thing I'm going to want to do is to generate the new cosmetics. So you type the number 2, and as you see, it's going to go and generate them right now. This all depends on your internet connection, as it has to connect with an API, which is basically an online source to get all these cosmetics. It usually doesn't really take that long. One of the icons takes like 1 to 3 seconds to generate, but it may take a bit depending on your internet. So as you see, the icons look like this. You can mess around with the settings.json thing as I showed you before, but this is what it looks like right now. It's pretty cool in my opinion, so this is what it looks like right here. You can also zoom into it a bit, so you can see how it says generated image, and it's like showing you the process and the percentage, which is really cool. So this is basically the program. This is just like the easiest way on how to use this, but I'm gonna go more in depth of how to use this program in this video as well. So if you just want to know the basics, you can just end right here. As you see, it's exiting the program, and there it goes. It exits the program. So yeah, this is all the new cosmetics. And also, if you want to merge all these images, you can just go and type 8, click enter, and then as you see, it just easily merges them all into one image in like half a second. So that's really cool. So there you go. And now we're gonna get into more advanced stuff. So now once you're done, you can just double click it again, click 6, and that clears the contents of the icons folder. So as you see, it's just gonna clear all the contents. There you go. Go delete that, run it again, and now you can go and do some other stuff. Let's say, for example, you are a leaker, like you're a new leaker, you're on Twitter, and you want to leak for an update night. What you're going to want to do is type the number 1, and it's going to go and wait for a Fortnite update. So what this does is it checks every around like 5 to 10 seconds if there's a new update, and if a new update is found, it's going to go and automatically type the number 2 for you, run the new cosmetics, and once it finishes, it's going to go and merge them and post them onto Twitter. To post them onto Twitter, what you need is Twitter API keys. These are them right here. So what these API keys do is they connect with your Twitter. So I can show you an example right here. Those aren't my real API keys, by the way. Yeah, this is the Twitter I use for API keys. So you can see right here, these are all posted by a bot, like this, for example. This is posted by a bot. As you see, it says Fever Spot. I'm not going to go in depth on how to use Twitter API keys in this video, but you can look at past videos of mine, and I clearly explain how to use them. So here's like a little way to use them. You go to twitter.com/developers. It's something like that. It's like developers Twitter. It's this thing right here. So you're going to want to go and sign in with that, and then you want to go to Developer Portal, Projects and Apps, make an app, and then go to keys and tokens, then generate your tokens. That's basically the way to do it. And then once you generate your tokens, you put them into settings.json right here, and then there you go. That's how you do it. What else was I gonna say? So that's basically how you do update mode, and it basically does everything for you. It can also tweet out the AES when it gets updated, and the version when it gets updated, and like the map and all that stuff when it gets updated. So that's really cool. If you go and run it again, this is on the beta. I'm not going to review this stuff on beta, so the stuff that's on beta right now is the generate NPCs option. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you are a beta member and you want to learn how to use it, you can just ping me in general chat, and I can teach you how to use it, because I'm really flexible teaching everyone. If you need any help, just shoot me a DM on Discord, fever3474, and I got you with, I can help you. I can just, like, I'll literally do anything, like, I'm so happy that people love this program, because it's taken me months to develop, so it always warms my heart when people say that they love it. So this is only for beta users right now. We have the number 14, which is to generate a weapon of your choice. Now for 14, what you're going to want to do is grab a Fortnite API.io key. So I'm going to go to this website, and this is your website. It's Fortnite API.io. You're going to go to dashboard and sign up. It's basically just a free API that can connect with weapon details. So I'm going to go and show this with you. If you go down to weapons, here you go, list weapon details. That isn't it. This right here. So as you see, it says missing API key, but if I put on my API key, you can actually see this is what happens if you put in your API key in autoleak. It connects with all of this data right here, which takes all the weapons and puts them into like a neat little string. So it has the icons right here, which I generate the icons with in autoleak. So I'm gonna go copy this API key right here. I'm not gonna show it to you. I'm gonna put this on my other screen. So once I do that, I'm gonna go and show you what to do. Let's go paste in that key right there. So what you're gonna want to do is paste it right here where it says API key. So where it says API key right there, you're gonna want to paste that in. So like paste it in right here. So I'm gonna go put it to the other screen, paste that in, save, and then close. Now we're gonna start program. Head number 14, and then as you see, it should work. So there you go. So yeah, right as you see, it says only the name 2 option works for generating the images. So type the number 2. Now it says what weapon do you want to grab. So we're gonna go and grab I guess the drum gun. So drum gun, and there you go. As you see, it automatically finds it and it saves it. So if you look in here, it has the clean options. This is another icon type. You can also use this for skins as well by opening settings.json, editing it. But that's basically how it works. It's really simple, and it just generates it like easily. It gives you all the data right here. It gives you the IDs, gives you the description, and it puts them into this neat little image, which is really cute. Another thing we have is we have 5, so this is another cool thing. So right, I put it on full screen. If you type in 5, it's going to go and say load in new icons, API equals bedbot, type in the name of the cosmetic you want to grab below. You could type in anything, an emote, a backpack, a skin, so I'm just going to type in like renegade. So that's an emote, so as you see it's going to go and load that, and then there you go. Generated in like 0.5 seconds, and it looks pretty cool. It generates that, there you go, pretty cool. You can also try like Batman 0. That one isn't able to retrieve it, so if it isn't able to retrieve, it's just gonna exit out, so just run it again. Type in 5 and then just do it again. So you can type renegade raider, and there you go. So that's pretty cool. And the icons look pretty cool too. You can also change it up, so I'm gonna show you how to change different icon types. Go into settings.json. You can go down to icon type and type in like blade or standard. You type in blade. Exit that out. Exit that out. Run it again. Type in renegade raider, and then as you see, there it goes. And bam. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna go put this back onto new, because I like the new icons best. What else do we have here? We have merge all images. I reviewed that. Shop sections. This is for Twitter commands. Twitter command 11 is a cool command. So if you type 11, it's gonna say what pack do you want to grab it from. If you don't know what a pack is, Fortnite actually they store all of their data in packs. So if you don't know, encrypted items. If you go into a server like Benbot, I'm gonna go and show you this. So I'm gonna link this in the description below as well. You go down right here into Benbot, and you go to AES keys. These are all of the most recent packs that got decrypted. So if we type in like 103, for example, it's gonna go merge the images. Benbot is actually down right now, so it's just gonna show nothing. So it doesn't work at the moment, but it usually does. So I guess that is it for autoleak right now. I think I reviewed everything. If you need any more help, just DM me on Discord, Fevers #Fever474, and also make sure to join the autoleak server. Please join it, because like I always am in touch with helping people, and I also have a lot of people who also help in the server. Gaming Blue Shell, the Game Vlog, and Vesix right here. So everyone here is really friendly. Everyone here helps you. And also Thomas K too. He doesn't really help a lot, but he's actually the one who originated the code of autoleak, but I added on like 3,000 lines to it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you need any more help, just do what I said before, and have a good day. So I guess that's the video. Bye everyone.